Sudha Kanthula. It is a privilege to be a part of this exhibition titled Pratibimb, curated by Rajan Fulari. My work here is a combination of various print mediums. It basically combined to enhance the content of subject to achieve a certain effect I have in the mind. The three works which I'm exhibiting here is mixed, and one of the work which is exhibited here is of Bhagat Singh. I had often come across images of Bhagat Singh in various books and maybe in some government office, but those portraits never appealed to me. So I started experimenting using the same image of Bhagat Singh and trying to get the effect that I was looking for. Another work which is exhibited here is called Jo Dikhta Hai Wo Bikta Hai. In 2010, there was an interview of Rakhi Sawant, and the person who interviewed her questioned her regarding her looks, that was the overdone makeup, her clothes, and the many cosmetic surgery she goes through to look good and appealing. So she bluntly said that जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, जो भगवान नहीं देता है वो डॉक्टर देता है. And to be always in some film or in some as a character in any film, she has to keep herself looking good. Film actress, so she has to be updated, looking presentable. And when you are an artist, then you have to be updated with technology, with any traditional or modern things that's coming up, and you have to update yourself with not just the painting and other medium, but I think graphic is an excellent medium to fulfill your certain expectation you many times want to achieve in a work of art. So the third work which is exhibited here is again a silk screen, which is around 2.5 feet by around 6 feet, and it's an image of one of the warrior, and it's called Sadashivao Bhaut. The Sadashivao Bhaut was one of the warrior in the Battle of Panipat. So here's a picture which I have done in screen, presented here, and it has got block prints, and it has got even coffee, the coffee in which the fabric was dipped, and I got the effect clock which Gandhiji used, and I have appropriated that with this image of Panipat. That watch itself signifies that the time has stopped here, because just after the Battle of Panipat, the British dominated our country. So being interested in history, it could be anything, it can be whatever I see around, and if it appeals to me, I always transform it to a work of art. Thank you, Saji, for this beautiful display of work, and I must say this is a must-visit show, because all the other colleagues of mine who are exhibiting here, 12 of them, including me, I'm 13. So each work is very different from the other, and many of them have been doing graphics since some for 2 decades, one for 3, some from 4. So I think here you get to see how in all this decade, how the artist has been working on prints. Thank you very much. Goodbye.